What does the term Mahajanapada refer to? A tribe, large kingdom or republic, a temple, a religious text. The answer is a large kingdom or republic. How many Mahajanapadas are mentioned in early Buddhist text? 8, 12, 16, 18. Answer is 16. What is the second urbanization in Indian history mainly associated with? Harappan towns, village settlements, iron tools and farming, megalithic burials. The answer is iron tools and farming. Which of the following was a Mahajanapada located in the northwest? Koshala, Gandhara, Magadha, and Kashi. Answer is Gandhar. The capital of the Avanti Mahajanapada was Mathura, Ujjaini, Rajagriha, Takshila. The answer is Ujjaini. Which literary text lists the 16 Mahajanapadas? Rigveda, Mahabharata, Anguttara Nikaya, Ramayana. The answer is Anguttara Nikaya. The term Janapada literally means city of warriors, land where people place their feet, trade center, battlefield. The answer is land where people place their feet. Which city was the capital of Kalinga region? Ujjain, Shishupalgarh, Varanasi, Kaushambi. The answer is Shishupalgarh. The site of Shishupalgarh is located near Chennai, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad. The answer is Bhubaneswar. Which ancient trade route connected the northwest to eastern India? Silk Road, Dakshinapatha, Uttarapatha, Grand Trunk Road. The answer is Uttarapatha. The Dakshinapatha route began from Magadha, Gandhara, Kaushambi, Pataliputra. The answer is Kaushambi. Which three kingdoms emerged in southern India around 400 BCE? Mauryas, Guptas, Chalukyas, Cholas, Cheras, Pandyas, Satavahanas, Rashtrakutas, Cholas, Kushanas, Pandyas and Guptas. The answer is Cholas, Cheras and Pandyas. The ancient Tamil literature that mentions early South Indian kings is called Sangam literature, Vedas, Jatakas, Tripitakas. The answer is Sangam literature. Which natural resources made southern India a key trade region? Wool and silk, timber and iron, gold, spices and gemstones, salt and rice. The answer is gold, spices and gemstones. What is a moat? A temple chamber, a religious structure, a deep ditch filled with water around a fort, a marketplace. The answer is a deep ditch filled with water around a fort. Shishupalgarh followed what kind of city plan? Circular, irregular, triangular, square. The answer is square. What role did iron play in early Indian society? Decoration only, weapon making only, agriculture and urban growth, religious rituals. The answer is agriculture and urban growth. Which region saw cities emerged due to new routes and trade around 400 BCE? Northwest, Ganga Valley, Southern India, Central Asia. The answer is Southern India. By 300 BCE, the Indian subcontinent was divided into isolated villages united under one ruler, an interconnected region of trade and culture dominated by nomads. The answer is an interconnected region of trade and culture. When did the Mahajanapadas disappear? 500 CE, 300 BCE, 1000 BCE, 200 CE. The answer is 300 BCE.